Good morning everyone. Myself Purushottam Patel. I am from Dream India School Raigad, Chhattisgarh, and today we will discuss the important topic inside our earth for class 7 NCERT SST geography subject. And this chapter is important because we living in a earth, and in this chapter we will learn how the components and how our crust forms, and what are the components inside our earth. Okay, so first, earth is the third planet which consists life, and the earth consists various types of the materials inside the earth. Okay, so the structure of earth related to onions, because onions consist of various types of the layer, and each layer defines the its structure. So earth also have the basically three layers. First one is core, and second one is mantle, and third one is crust. Okay, so we will discuss one by one the structure of interior structure of earth. That means interior means when you drill the earth, when any methods and any machine drill the earth, we will see the earth interior structure divides into three portion. Okay, first one is core, and second one is mantle, and third one is crust. Okay, so we will discuss about the first we will start from crust. Okay, so crust is the upper part. Crust is the upper layer and the first layer by which we can make our homes and our buildings. Okay, and crust is the solid part, and crust located to the layer of asthenosphere. Okay, due to asthenosphere earthquake condition will some uh, portion arises. Okay, yesterday earthquake happens in Assam, and 5.5 intensity earthquake. Okay, so crust form only 0.5%, and 16% mantle, and 83% core formed. Okay, so we will discuss the next mantle. Mantle is the second layer inside our earth, and mantles divides into two portion. First one is upper mantle, and second one is lower mantle. Okay, so mantle extend its depth in a 2900 kilometers. Okay, and mantle divides into two basic portion. First one is upper, and second one is lower mantle. Similarly, the core divides into two portion. First one is outer core, and second one is inner core. Core is important because core consists two important chemical substance, that is form of Nephe, nickel and ferrous, and the mantle consists two important substance, silica and magnesium, and the crust contains silicon and aluminum. Okay, so next we will discuss about the rocks, and rock and minerals that are formed from inside our earth that presents in a crust. Okay, so rock means the solid and which consists mineral deposits. Structure is called rock, and rock divides into three major categories. First one is igneous rock, second one is sedimentary rocks, and third one is metamorphic rock. Igneous rock, which is made by volcanic eruption, and which consists lava and the magma. Okay, so igneous rock is important, and which is in solid condition, and no lives presents in a igneous rock. So igneous rock consists solid materials. Example of minerals found in igneous rock such as iron. Okay, and this divided into two categories. First one is intrusive igneous rock, and second one is extensive igneous rock. Intrusive igneous rock formed inside our earth, and the extensive igneous rock formed to the outside of our earth structure. Okay, such as due to the volcanic eruption, extensive igneous rocks comes to the outer side of the earth. Okay, earth surface, And the next one is sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rocks which are formed by the layer by layer structure of the igneous from the igneous rock. When high pressure and the temperature condition, sedimentary rock form. And from sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rock also form due to the change of its structure. And this is the example of igneous, sedimentary and the metamorphic rock. And the next one is rock cycle. Okay, so rock cycle is the process by which transforming of rock, basically rock divided into three categories: igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. So the transfer of the rock from one certain condition to the other is called rock cycle. That means when igneous rock, due to the high pressure and temperature, divides into the sediments, and this is called sedimentary rocks. And further sedimentary rocks change its condition and change into the metamorphic rock, and high magma and lava condition, it again change into igneous rock. So this is the cycle forms. So this is called rock cycle. And again we will discuss use of rocks. Rocks is important because it consists various types of the minerals. So for mineral deposits, it is important in minerals such as iron, coal is found in the sedimentary rocks. Okay, and various types of the limestones also found. So this is the our portion of class 7 SST subjects. Okay, so you will revise the portion, and thank you to all of you.